Today, the topic is F.D. Roosevelt and New Deal. This is the flag of United States of America. F.D. Roosevelt was the 32nd President of USA. Before that, he served in the New York State Legislature and as Assistant Secretary of Navy under President Wilson. In 1932 election, F.D. Roosevelt was the Democratic candidate. Herbert Hoover was the Republican candidate. This is the election post of F.D. Roosevelt. In between the election, F.D. Roosevelt selected a team of professors, lawyers, and journalists to be his advisors, and they were called as Brain Trust. This Brain Trust only came up with a New Deal. In the election of 1932, Democrat F.D. Roosevelt easily defeated the Republican Hoover and announced the New Deal. In his inaugural address, F.D. Roosevelt inspired hope by declaring, "The only thing we have to fear is fear itself." As he entered the office, Roosevelt decided to do three things. That is, relief, recovery, reform. With progressivism as his ideology, Roosevelt became the symbol of dynamic leadership. His New Deal focused on relief, recovery, reform, also known as 3 R's. Relief for workers, peasants, and the unemployed. Recovery for the economy. Reform is to prevent such a panic in future. First New Deal was from 1933 to 1934, offering relief to the banking industry. Second New Deal was from 1935 to 1938. It sought to improve the resources of the nation and provide relief to the farmers. Roosevelt implemented certain relief measures immediately after he assumed presidency. So he passed two acts, Emergency Banking Act, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. For assisting the banks, Emergency Banking Act was passed. By this act, he declared the bank holiday for 4 days and prohibited the withdrawal and transfer of gold. Within that days, Congress in a special session passed Emergency Banking Bill, by which it liquidated the unsound bank. Within few days, panic in monetary system was arrested. FDIC means Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. This corporation guaranteed the safety of money in bank. This FDIC is still in operation to ensure deposit in banks. Like this, Federal Securities Act was passed for protection against stock fraud. Next, Security Exchange Commission, it regulated the companies that sold stock. Next, Home Owners Loan Corporation. It offered low interest, long-term mortgage loans to families. These pictures show the unemployment problem. In the first one, the man is carrying the poster at the back of him. In it, it was written as, "I know 3 trades, I speak 3 languages, fought for 3 years and no work for 3 months, but I want only one job. In the second one, the small child asked, why can't you give my dad a job? Another picture, the lady is having the placard, 4 children for sale. This was the situation at the time of F.D. Roosevelt period. These pictures shows the unemployment situation. So, Civilian Conservation Corps was established. It designed to put unemployed people to work. It employed people to plant trees, erect houses, construct dams, improve roads, and farm parks. Anyhow, unemployment problem continued to prevail until the outbreak of Second World War. Recovery measure. Under recovery measure, F.D. Roosevelt passed National Recovery Act and Agricultural Adjustment Act. National Recovery Act was passed to recover industry. Agricultural Adjustment Act was passed to recover agriculture. This National Recovery Act is the centerpiece of New Deal program of F.D. Roosevelt. It sought to promote fair competition, raise wages and prices, and institute collective bargaining, and it also created courts for fair competition. This is Agricultural Adjustment Act. Under reform measure, legislations were passed to prevent stock market crash. So, Tennessee Valley Authority was created and passed Social Security Act. Roosevelt administration made an experiment in public ownership of project. Tennessee Valley Authority was established to create huge dams that would stop floods and give people electricity all over the southern eastern part of USA. At that time, there was no security to the people. So, F.D. Roosevelt passed Social Security Act. One of the achievements of New Deal era was the creation of Social Security system. It had three parts. Number one, old age pension. Number two, unemployment compensation. Number three, aid to families with dependent children and disabled. Social Security Board was created. It gave old age pension. The same Social Security Board gave compensation for the unemployed and gave aid to the needy, blind people also. Results of New Deal. Due to the New Deal policy of F.D. Roosevelt, panic in the monetary system was arrested. It made millions of people to work. It also provided economic relief to the country. And it initiated the construction of roads, schools, parks, hospitals, and many other facilities that were needed throughout the nation. Now we conclude that under F.D. Roosevelt relief measures, FIDC restored public confidence in the nation's bank. Under recovery measure, prices increased, but the benefits went mostly to rich commercial firms, not to the farmers. Under reform measure, unemployment remained high because New Deal left thousands of roadways, dams and public buildings. Social security and unemployment insurance became a long-lasting part of government. Thank you.